Hi, this is a recorded lecture for the IB DP Design Technology topic B1.1 User-Centered Design, Design and Practice. So from the IB, user-centered design requires a plan to structure an inquiry using user-centered design methods. Students must be able to construct a plan for a UCD process based on research questions that engage with user-centered research methods. User-centered design is a design process that pays particular attention to the needs of potential users by involving them in all stages of the design process. This is the research, concept, design, implementation, and launch, but it can also be this design thinking process right here where you're empathizing with your users. You define a project based on that empathy. You ideate to solve that problem, you design, and then present your products. UCD uses specific research methods to target persona populations, and it develops empathy and understanding of those users' demographics. And so these are characteristics, behaviors, and the wants and needs of the target population. User-centered research methods are a suite of research methods used to explore the true nature of a user population or target users. These research methods include field research, task analysis, user observation, interviews, surveys, and focus groups. Data is then collected from user-centered research and used to determine a persona that presents attributes of the user populations. Students must be able to create a primary persona or a persona based on user-centered research to aid design development. A primary persona is a profile of a primary user for a product experiencing a challenge in a process that presents a design opportunity. Persona provides a human face and a story to a particular audience, making it easier to empathize and cater to the user's needs effectively. Products can be analyzed by using usability objectives to identify opportunities for improvements. Students must be able to explain and apply 5 usability objectives, and we'll go through these. That's learnability, efficiency, memorability, errors, and satisfaction. Usability is defined as the extent to which a product can be used by specified users to achieve a specific goal effectively and efficiently while functioning in a predictable and consistent manner. Usability objectives are objectives including learnability, efficiency, memorability, errors, and satisfaction. And of course, a task is how the design is expected to function and fulfill its expectations. Consider the user may have several sub-uses for a product. Learnability is the extent to which a user can operate a product or system at a predefined level of competence after a predetermined period of training. Efficiency is the usability objective that concerns the speed and accuracy in which users can perform the task a product was designed to do. Memorability is a usability objective that concerns how well a user can remember how to use a product after they have not used it for a period of time. Errors are a usability objective that concerns the incident of mistakes a user makes when using a product. The frequency of those incidents and the severity of those mistakes are also considered. Satisfaction is an objective that concerns how pleasant a product is to use, typically defined as the degree to which a user's needs, expectations, and preferences are met. Thank you for watching.